Hey girls, so I'm back with another video. Thanks for the ones who have subscribed to my channel and who have tuned in. But yeah, today we're going to style this closure that I got from Mega Look Good Hair. I said that so wrong. Mega Look Hair. You can find it located in my bio or on my Amazon storefront. Also, follow me on TikTok or Instagram for more information on different wigs I install. But yeah, I am new to YouTube, so take it easy with me. I am learning still how to work YouTube, but any suggestions or hairstyle that you all want to see, just let me know. But yeah, let's get right into the video. I'm going to style this 6x5 closure wig that I got from them. Cute braid style. So just stay tuned, continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.